Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to label a chart legend in Google Sheets. By the end of this, you'll not only know how to get your data into a beautiful, clear chart, but you'll also have full control over how your legend appears, so your presentations, reports, or classroom assignments look sharp and make perfect sense at a glance. Let's jump right in and make your spreadsheets a little more awesome. First things first, let's set up your data. Imagine you've got sales numbers broken down by region and product. Maybe it's for a business meeting or a homework project. Here's an example. You have a table where the top row lists region, product A, product B, and product C down the side. Each row after that is for north, south, east, and west, with numbers filled in under each product. That's your sales data. To start, highlight the entire table, so cells A1 through D5. Make sure you include those headers at the top and all the regions down the side. This is really important. Selecting the full range helps Google Sheets know exactly what data you want visualized. Skipping headers or rows can lead to missing labels or incorrect charts later, so double-check that selection. Next, let's actually create that chart. Go up to the menu and click on Insert, then choose Chart. Google Sheets will cook up a chart for you right away based on what it thinks you need, but let's fine-tune it. Over on the right, the Chart Editor panel pops open. If you don't see it right away, give it a second or click on the chart to make it appear. Here, you'll want to pick either a column chart or a line chart. Both work really well for this kind of data, and either will give you a clear visual comparison by product and by region. If you're not sure which to pick, try both and see which one tells your data's story best. There's no harm in experimenting. Here's a detail you don't want to miss. Under the setup options, make sure Use Row 1 as headers is checked. This tells Google Sheets to treat that first row region, product A, and so on as the labels for your data series, which is what will show up in the chart's legend. Also check Use column A as labels, so your chart reflects the different regions along the axis. These steps make sure your chart isn't just a mass of colors and numbers, but something people can easily read and understand. As soon as you've got the right chart type and those boxes checked, your chart will pop up with a legend, most likely showing product A, product B, and product C next to color-coded boxes. Now, if you want to customize the legend, maybe you don't want boring product A, but something more descriptive or fun like actual fruit names, here how you do it. All you need to do is double-click directly on the name in the legend or on its colored box. Google Sheets will let you edit it inline. For example, you can change product A to apples, product B to bananas, and product C to cherries. This instantly updates both the chart labels and the legend, making your data way more understandable for anyone looking at it, whether it's your boss, your teacher, or your classmates. And that's it. Once you're happy with your legend labels, you're done. If something didn't look right the first time, don't worry. Double-clicking these legend titles is super forgiving, and you can update them as often as you need until it's perfect. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you out today, please hit that like button, drop your questions in the comments if you got stuck anywhere, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical Google Sheets tutorials. See you in the next one.